In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Etsy email. Keeping your Etsy email address up to date is really important. It's how Etsy sends you order notifications, security alerts, and important updates about your shop. If you've switched email providers, created a new inbox just for your business, or simply want to tidy up your account, updating it only takes a minute once you know where to go. First, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account, and then head over to your Shop Manager dashboard. You can do this from the main Etsy homepage by selecting the option that takes you to your shop. The Shop Manager dashboard is your main control center as a seller, so you might already be familiar with it from managing orders and listings. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile area. Click on your profile. This is where Etsy keeps all of your personal and account-related options, not just your shop details. After opening your profile menu, you'll see several options. Look for the one labeled Account Settings and click on that. This will take you to the section where you can manage your core account information, including your email address, password, and other security-related details. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the section called Change Your Email. It might be a little lower on the page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just keep scrolling until you spot the email change area. Next, click into the field labeled for your new email. Carefully type in the new email address you want to use for your Etsy account. It's a good idea to double check for typos here and also make sure you have access to this inbox, since Etsy may send a confirmation message to it. Below that, you'll see another field asking you to confirm your new email. Click into this confirm field and type the exact same email address again. This step helps prevent mistakes, so make sure both entries match perfectly. When you're confident everything is correct, look for the button labeled Change Email and click on it. Etsy will save your new email address, and in many cases, you'll receive a confirmation email at your new inbox. Open that message and follow any instructions inside if Etsy asks you to verify the change. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email on Etsy, keeping your shop notifications and account secure